Then I want you to do some nice cat-cow stretches. Peeling the tailbone under towards the floor, let the head go, and then go the other way. Feel like lengthening out and lifting. Let's do that again. All the way down and back. Get that nice. Can you feel your tummy drawing in? As you're doing that, you're drawing that tummy button in, and then you're letting it go. 2 more. Let it go. Last one. And release. Okay, I want you to stay in this position, but just take the left arm out to the side. As the left arm comes out to the side, I want you to just gently push back and just feel like a nice stretch at the front of the shoulder. And then slowly come up and slide the hand back. And then we'll do it again on the other hand. So you're going to slide it out all the way down, push the bum back to the heels, feel that nice stretch front of the shoulder, let your head drop down. I'm trying to keep mine up on purpose. And again, arm out, come down, all the way back up, and again sliding out. And then if you feel okay to do so, bring the belly button, draw it in, sliding both arms out to the side, take the knees out, and just feel that lovely stretch. You can take the head over to one side if you feel like it. And then take the other head, take the head the other way. From there, rolling up. Bring yourself over now onto your side. We'll do a couple of open windows because I want you to be able to feel the difference. Now, I'm using blocks today. Usually I don't, but I'm going to use a couple of blocks today because I feel like it. And I want you to just have your hands in front of you. Okay, so have your hands in front of you. I'm using the bolsters in the studio this week. Let the head rest. Your knees are in front and your knees are together. Take an in-breath as you take the arm behind you. Soften the elbow. So I want us to get a little bit of rotation. Reach forwards and again. Let's do a couple more. Reach forwards. And then I want you to do one more.